And another travel series for all you guys out there. Travel with Shikha it is, and here we are at Iowa, down such a pretty and beautiful space around this area. I've been here not for long, but this place has surely taken my heart away. And while talking about this place, the population of this area is about 50,000. The main airport to this area is Des Moines, where this place is famous for Iowa State University, and in Des Moines there's the Capitol building, there is the East Village, and then the library is really awesome and cool here. Right now being February and 2018 it is snowing around this place, and yesterday when there were snowflakes that were coming around, it was really pretty and nice. Well, this place has different weathers during the summer. The winters get really cold and chilly right now. As you can see, these different houses are different styled houses, look so beautiful, and especially the mailboxes at each place looks really nice. Big houses around the place, and in no time you're gonna see some animals that you can never think of being on the backyard. So there are deers that come around, and also I just saw some squirrels just hopping around and going around the place. As we are talking about Iowa right now, one of the places that you should totally check out if you are at this side of the world, and not much that can be done around this place, but otherwise there is so much that the history holds, so much that the weather can give you, and the place being as pretty as it can get. This is Travel with Shikha, and the next episode for you guys is gonna come soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Here we go, right here from Iowa, that is at Des Moines.